Hey there, welcome back to Kuki Decor. If you're searching for a stylish and affordable way to upgrade your home office or study space, you're in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into some truly creative and budget-friendly desk ideas made from reclaimed wood. These designs prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to have a workspace that's both functional and beautiful. Reclaimed wood not only brings warmth and character to your space, but it's also a great way to stay sustainable and eco-conscious. So let's explore how you can turn old wood into stunning, unique desks that reflect both your taste and your values. Before we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest decor inspirations. And let us know in the comments which reclaimed wood desk idea was your favorite. We'd love to hear from you. There's something deeply grounding and authentic about working at a desk crafted from reclaimed wood. A wood desk is more than just a piece of furniture, it's a centerpiece of focus, creativity, and purpose, especially when it's made from materials that already have a story. Reclaimed wood desks represent a perfect blend of sustainability and style, offering character, warmth, and function to any workspace. Choosing reclaimed wood for your desk not only reduces waste and deforestation, but it also allows you to infuse your workspace with a one-of-a-kind design that no factory can replicate. Whether you're crafting a minimalist writing station in a quiet corner or creating a large executive desk for a home office, reclaimed wood gives you the flexibility to express personal style through natural materials. Its timeless beauty and durability make it ideal for people who want something long-lasting and filled with soul. Using reclaimed wood to build a desk isn't just eco-friendly, it's meaningful. Every piece of reclaimed wood has a story, with natural textures and character you won't find in new materials. It's a sustainable choice that reduces waste, saves trees, and adds warmth and charm to any workspace. Plus, reclaimed wood is often stronger and more durable than modern fast-grown lumber, making your desk last for years. Whether you're into rustic vibes or modern minimalism, reclaimed wood brings personality and authenticity to your design. Best of all, it's budget-friendly and perfect for DIY lovers. So why settle for ordinary? Build something unique, beautiful, and better for the planet only with reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood desks also create a healthier indoor environment. This is especially important for home offices or study areas where people spend many hours each day. Finally, building with reclaimed wood promotes emotional connection and craftsmanship. There's a certain pride and satisfaction in creating a piece of furniture that has both history and function. Every scratch, stain, or weathered groove becomes part of the story. Reclaimed wood desks are not just practical and stylish, they are meaningful. They reflect a commitment to sustainability, creativity, and a deeper appreciation for natural materials, making them a perfect fit for the modern, mindful home. One popular idea is using salvaged barn wood or old flooring planks to create a rustic yet modern desk with a live edge or distressed finish. These pieces often pair beautifully with black metal or matte steel legs, giving that stylish industrial look that's currently trending in modern interior design. Another great approach is combining old fence boards or shipping pallets into a creative desk with built-in storage, cubbies, or shelves. This not only saves money, but adds functionality and charm. Some even use reclaimed wood doors or tabletops, sanding and refinishing them into spacious desk surfaces that become natural focal points in the room. For small spaces, wall-mounted fold-out desks made from repurposed wood offer a space-saving and visually striking option. Even leftover beams, stair treads, or cabinet parts can be transformed into floating desk shelves supported by simple brackets, ideal for compact home offices or kids' study nooks. What's truly special about these ideas is the hands-on, DIY spirit they inspire. Reclaimed wood invites creativity, allowing each person to design and build a desk that fits their lifestyle, space, and aesthetic preferences. You don't need to be a master woodworker either. Even basic skills can go a long way when the material itself already tells half the story. The beauty lies in the imperfections, knots, cracks, nail holes, and burn marks that each adds character and authenticity. Beyond their appearance, these desks often carry emotional value. Knowing that the wood was once part of an old house, a barn, or a school gymnasium gives the furniture a deeper significance, reminding us of sustainability, memory, and craftsmanship. Every board reused is one less tree cut down, and often, older woods like oak, pine, or walnut were harvested from mature trees, making them denser and more durable than many newer materials. Plus, by diverting wood from landfills or demolition sites, you're contributing to the circular economy and promoting more mindful consumption. These desks also adapt well to any interior style. In rustic rooms, they enhance the cozy, cabin-like atmosphere with their natural textures and rich tones. In minimalist or Scandinavian settings, a reclaimed wood desk acts as a warm counterbalance to the clean lines and neutral palette. In industrial or loft spaces, it adds raw, organic contrast to concrete and metal elements. Epoxy resin fills can highlight the natural cracks and voids in reclaimed wood, creating a sleek, artistic contrast between the organic and the modern. Some people even embed small items like stones, shells, or coins into the resin to personalize the desk further. Lighting also plays a big role in how a reclaimed wood desk shines in a space. At the heart of every reclaimed wood desk is a philosophy of transformation, taking something old, worn, and perhaps forgotten, and turning it into something useful, beautiful, and enduring. It's a way to honor materials that have already lived a life, giving them purpose once again. And for anyone working from home, studying, or simply seeking a special place to create, a reclaimed wood desk becomes more than furniture. It becomes a companion to your thoughts, your goals, and your dreams. Working on a surface made from real wood and wood with texture, scent, and soul can ground us in the present and remind us of the beauty in simplicity. So whether you're building a reclaimed wood desk yourself, commissioning a custom piece, or restoring an old table into a new desk, the possibilities are inspiring and endless. And best of all, you're making a choice that benefits your space, your budget, and the planet. At Kuki Decor, we believe that sustainable design can be both affordable and stylish, and reclaimed wood desks are a shining example of that belief in action. Thanks for watching today's video on budget-friendly reclaimed wood desk ideas for a stylish workspace. We hope you found some inspiration to start your own eco-friendly desk project or refresh your home office on a budget. Remember, reclaimed wood isn't just about saving money, it's about giving new life to old materials, reducing waste, and creating something truly one of a kind. With just a little creativity and the right design, your workspace can become a reflection of both your personality and your care for the environment. Let us know in the comments which desk idea was your favorite, or share your own DIY wood projects with us. Give this video a like if you love sustainable decor. And don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more inspiring and eco-friendly furniture ideas. Until next time, stay creative, stay sustainable, and keep decorating with love.